Good afternoon and welcome to the session 2 from the playlist of nuclei. The topic is the isotopes, isobars and isotones. So basically we will be just discussing about the isobars, isotopes and the isotones with the help of these three definitions. So the isotopes are the nuclides which have the same atomic number but different mass number. So I have written here one example. So the hydrogen has got three isotopes. So this is the isotope which has the mass number of, this one is the mass number, the digit which is written on the upper side is the mass number, and this is the atomic number. So here, if we can see that the three isotopes, they are having the same atomic number. The atomic number is the same, whereas the mass number are different. Now the isobars are the nuclides which have the same mass number but different atomic number. So one example is the this is the hydrogen isotope which has the mass number of 3 and the atomic number of 1, and this is the helium nuclei which has got the mass number of 3 and the atomic number of 2. So here we can see that the mass numbers are the same whereas the atomic number are different. So these two are the isobars. Now the isotones are the nuclides which have different atomic number and different mass number. So one example I have written here is that is the combination of this this hydrogen isotope, and this is a helium nuclei. So here the in this hydrogen isotope, the this mass number is 3 and the atomic number is 1, whereas in the case of this helium nuclei, the mass number is 4 and the atomic number is 2. So since here the mass number and the atomic number are different in this hydrogen isotope and in this helium nuclei, therefore we can say that these two are the isotones. So thank you very much for joining this session. Now in the next session we will be discussing about the radioactivity. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.